ang pinag-aagrihan natin dito is that yung consequence noong bata na nakakommit ng crime, how are we going to deal with it? But ewan ko ha, Selectable, enlighten us yung statement mo na yung 12 years old na nakakommit ng crime at yung 25 years old na nakakommit ng crime ay magkaiba.
Okay. So
ano yung ang tawag dito, how do you distinguish that na magkaiba siya?
So my question is, are juveniles adults?
What about
So,
it? What
if
about
they're
it?
not adults, so they don't have
So-
the same rights as adults, right? So if
They
we're gonna
don't have
charge,
the same rights.
the kids, they don't. They're underage. If we're gonna give them the same rights,
So
we're gonna
you're saying only adults can kill, but
No, but
Hindi,
those kids are not fully developed.
Sandali lang, before we
Maybe,
entertain
okay.
this, before we entertain this argument selectable, no, can you just give us an overall picture of why? Kasi ang argument mo is that a 12-year-old doesn't know the consequence of his or her action. That was your argument. Bakit paano tayo napunta sa same rights?
Well, do they
we're not
understand
talking about rights
okay.
here. Teka lang, Selectable kasi yung isa rin na ano mo no na you're talking about rights, okay? We're not talking about rights here. We're talking about consequence of action.
So do they understand the realities as kids? Do they understand the realities and consequences of taking a debt on a debt?
Is it a requirement
wait.
for you to
No, wait.
understand?
Can I finish first? Do they understand the
Sabi niya,
realities? So it's the same thing as asking them, do they understand the realities of consequences of romantic relationship, right? So, pag 12-year-old ka, alam ba nila yun? Do they understand the realities of consequences? Joining a military services.
You think
Wait.
that 12-year-old do not
And then,
understand.
if you say, all those answers should have the same, all those questions have the same answers. Like, do they know and understand the realities and consequences of violence as a child?
Selectable, wait lang. Selectable, I would just like to ask, so are you saying that a 12-year-old has no understanding of any consequences of his or her action?
They're not fully developed.
what you're saying?
Okay, so
No,
okay.
answer. Hindi yung not develop or of course we agree tayo dyan lahat.
No,
Ang 12 years old, hindi
no,
pa fully
it
developed
depends.
yung-
No, it depends.
Wait,
If you grow up in the Philippines, right?
Let me finish. Okay. I would like to understand, okay, whether or not your position is a 12-year-old have no understanding of consequences of his or her action. So you said hindi pa develop. Hindi yun ang pinag-uusapan natin yung whether develop yung utak niya o hindi eh. We're just talking about understanding because a not fully developed brain is still capable of understanding. Different yan ha. Different yan.
Hindi. Kasi ganito, if you think na if they are not capable of understanding a 12-year-old, anything.
Ba't ka ba pinag-aaral? Hindi niya maiintindihan yung lessons sa eskwelahan yan.
Kasi ako, ikaw, to be honest,
At 12, do you guys know the consequences and the realities of joining a military?
Selectable, sandali lang. Hindi pa wala pa tayo
That's not
dyan.
even the topic.
No, but that's the same
That's
thing.
not
It's like, do the 12-year-old know the realities and consequences? No, but I'm asking.
Wait lang. Let's us finish. Ayun. So, for me yun talaga yung problem. Maraming wrong assumptions yung juvenile justice system natin, yung Juvenile Justice Act of 2006. Marami siyang wrong assumptions. It is a legislation founded on hope, which is a very, very faulty foundation faulty legislative work because it anchors on hope, and it is not should be the foundation of any legislation. Ganon. Na mamamag-asa ka na, hindi, ano ang tawag dito, gawin natin tong batas na to kasi baka naman. It
Hindi mo
shouldn't
pwede yun.
be that.
Hindi
mo
po
pwede
pwede
yun.
yun.
Hindi
And second,
pwede yung mga ganong klaseng legislation.
Second, yung mga advocates pa itong batas na to, they couldn't even accept the assumption that you needed to have in order for a law like this to exist. And that assumption is that children can commit a crime. Can you imagine even that assumption they don't want to accept?
Mm-hmm.
And nagbubulahan na lang tayo. If children cannot commit a crime, then why the need for a specific law addressing children committing crimes?
Mm-hmm. When it comes to juvenile felon, I think we should start some level of hospitalization or rehabilitation, and if it needs to be long term, that's the way it goes. First and foremost, we need to fund institution that would look after these children in conflict with laws na tinatawag nung juvenile justice system natin. Kasi ang problema nga, ito ang batas na to, naging batas na siya pagkatapos gaano ba karaming LGU yung handa? Kasi ang ultimate implementer nung Bahay Pag-asa is yung LGU eh. 'Di ba? LGU yung ultimate implementer nung batas na yan eh. So hindi ko alam kung ano yung data, no, pero gaano karami ang LGU na merong Bahay Pag-asa sa
Alam mo,
buong
dapat ano yan eh, hindi city, dapat regional eh. Kasi pag city, hindi naman lahat ng city may mga juvenile offenders. So sayang lang yung pera. So it has just to be regional, no? Hindi yung per city, yung regional. And then siguro kung yung mga
and there should be no set of professionals who would design the intervention and the intervention and the diversion programs.
Dapat wala kang nakalagay na parameters sa batas na kung nakapag-show na siya ng remorse, ganyan. Bakla, you shouldn't be discussing diagnostic criteria of whether someone has already been rehabilitated. Why? Because you're already implanting to someone of what they should do in order for them to be released from the rehabilitation.
Correct.
And that is unquantifiable as well, Sass.
Dapat lang pala mag-bait-baitan ako.
That thing is very
unquantifiable. Halimbawa ganito, this is totally unrelated, no? Pero I can relate this to my experience. Halimbawa, yung experience ko, no? When I have undergone sexual assignment surgery, there are diagnostics. Okay? So when people are asking me, na anong diagnostic? Hindi ko sinasabi kasi nga, bakla ako sasabihin ko sa in-diagnostic, you might game the system. No? And then diagnostic would actually lose its power. So hindi ko sasabihin sa iyo kung how I was diagnosed, why they were able to determine that I actually passed the diagnostics, because you might prepare yourself to actually align your answers, your behavior according to the diagnostic criteria, even though that your behavior was not actually
actually
an it's actually because you are actually that. Ibig sabihin, ginawa mo lang because we can actually delude ourselves. We can actually delude ourselves, no? Especially when it comes to psychological criteria. Kaya nga kaya nga uso yung I don't know what was this psychological condition. I don't know if you Damien can know this. Yung feeling mo may sakit ka because you're self-diagnosing yourself. Ay, ako ito. Yung mga hypochondriac, because they already know the diagnostic criteria for a specific disease or specific ganyan.
So they just basically project themselves aligned to that sickness. Yeah.
Exactly. And then eventually, because of that, ginawa mo yan, mapapahamak ka. Kasi bakla, pag didiagnose mo yung sarili mong ganyan, tapos wala ka, and then the treatment protocol was applied to you, bakla, you would actually be in a much worse situation than you were when you didn't do it, or if you were actually experiencing that disease or psychological condition. So, that's why, ito yung mga criteria nila na paano ba ma-rehabilitate ang bata, ano magiging signs, etc. You're already implanting to every kid, every minor who's
Same yan
listening
sa
to you
client
of
ko
what
before,
they
Sas.
should do. I'm sorry, go Damien.
Yeah, same yan sa client ko before na nag-self-diagnose siya for the longest time since 18 na may schizophrenia siya. Tapos yung ginawa niya is may kaibigan ata siya nung nurse before siya lumapit sa amin. Nag-self-diagnose, nag-self-medicate. Nabaliw talaga yung babae. To the extent that hindi na talaga siya repairable.
Ay, sandali Damien, introduce mo muna ang sarili mo and your background.
So my name is Damien. I'm from Cebu. I'm a life coach and an astrologer. So, and a marriage counselor as well. So that's basically most of my life. And yun
Ayan.
says, I'm an avid fan.
Ayan, welcome back, Damien. Damien sounds so expensive. O, parang DJ yan.
For a time when I was 18.
Kaya pala eh. Ayan, Damien, what are your major comments on the
Yung concern ko
juvenile
kasi,
justice system that we have?
yung concern ko kasi dyan, Joey, before ata yan napasa ni Kiko, I think it lacks study. It lacks deeper study. Pwede naman ata yung yung ginawa sa isang bansa, nakalimutan ko lang yung name ng bansa, di ko na maalala, nabasa ko lang din. Na yung ginawa nila sa ginawa nila sa juvenile system nila is ginawa lang 10 years. I-implement natin to for 10 years and we will try to study, figure out the numbers, and at the same time change it as well, amend it after 10 years or before it reaches 10 years, babaguhin kung may ano ba talaga, kung may impact ba talaga, malaking impact ba talaga sa pag-decrease ng mga crimes na nakukommit ng mga bata or below.
So may review.
Nire-review nila biannual. If nag-decrease ba dramatically or nag-decrease ba, or same pa lang din, or need ba talaga, is it really just about kids or dapat ba din nating i-hold accountable yung mga parents? Kasi yung nangyayari kasi dyan is I really wanted to go back to that study. Pero ang nangyayari kasi dyan, Joey, yung pag namatay yung bata, wala na eh. That's a wasted life. That's a spent life. And wala man lang kasi pag bata yung say for example yung sa nangyari sa Tacloban, who will now pay the family monetarily, di ba? Sa nawalang buhay ng kanilang anak. And 1 year just because that kid promised na hindi na siya nagbago na siya, would that really repair financially, emotionally, whatever damage it actually costs to the family, to the grieving family for that spent life of a kid? It wouldn't actually change a thing. Kaya tama yung sinabi ni Sas. I can just make a promise here, and that's very performative. That I can, same lang yan sa mga clients ko na magsasabi na, promise Damien, di na talaga ako mag-cheat sa wife ko, blah blah, di na ako mag-cheat sa husband ko. It's all performative. It's all performative, and most of the time, sa cases ko, it's 70% of the time, bumabalik pa rin sila sa dati nilang gawin. And we're talking about adults here, committing crimes, or because adultery is a crime, or having an affair is a crime within the realms of your marriages. And 70% of my clients would still actually go back to their old habits, and that's the reason.
Adult na yan.
Adult na
Diba?
yan. Adult na yan.
Oo.
Ano na yan? Older than 25 years old na yan. Can you imagine?
Most of my cases, Sas, are 35 up.
Exactly. Kaya nga yung pinag-uusapan natin dito, no? whether I committed a crime at 12, if whether I committed the same crime at 12, 21, 40, 60, 70, the consequence of the crime is the same. Okay? If I committed a heinous crime, sabihin na natin na kung ang tao nakapag-commit siya ng may nategi because of the crime na kinumit, the consequence is the same. Mayroong nategi. Doesn't matter if I was 12, 20, 31, 40, 50. No? May nategi. Ang pinagdidebatihan lang, ito nakakommit ng crime to, anong gagawin natin dito? No? Kasi nga, alam mo, Joey, no? Yung sinasabi na yung equal protection of the law. No? Kasi isa yan sa debate. Ngayon, kung equal protection of the law, bakit may age discrimination ang implementation ng batas?
Yes.
Ano yung overriding
Actually,
principle?
I'm not so sure if siguro dapat na question na to sa Supreme Court. Yeah, magandang argument yun. Yung parang,
ano yung overriding principle? One of the overriding principle is that similarly situated must be similarly treated. Okay. Ngayon, ang problema na nun, ano yung similar situation na sinasabi natin? Is it
consequence?
Biological situation? Is it developmental situation? Etc. So, hindi siya malinaw kung ano yung magiging overriding principle. Why does the law should be applied differently based on age? Ngayon, bibigyan tayo ng example. Halimbawa, ikaw na-commit mo yung crime because ikaw ay lasing ka. Of course, magkakaroon yun ng overriding, yun ang isang overriding principle of why you might not get the same sentencing as someone who did something as sober. But that overriding principle, always remember, is a physical principle. Okay, it's a physical principle. The brain is inebriated, it's not functioning well. And if you're going to compare it to a juvenile offender, that is structurally the same. Sasabihin mo, their brain is not yet fully, they're not, the impulse control is not there, so they are more likely to commit something like this, etc., etc., etc. So we have to consider that physical situation of the person in order for us to give a more just sentencing, because that is the same. The physical principle of the brain while someone is inebriated is something that they are actually attributing as well to children committing a crime, that the brain is not in its full function, that it could have impulse control. So, kaya wala tayong usapan na kung ang bata ba makakommit ng crime. Of course, just as much, we will not have any discussion of whether kung ang taong lasing or wala sa kabaitan or nasa kabaitan ay makakakommit ng crime. That shouldn't be anymore in the discussion. Kaya nga itong mga nagsasabi na ang mga bata hindi kriminal, ang mga bata hindi nakakommit ng krimen, they are
ang batang hindi gumawa ng kriminal ay batang hindi kriminal. Ang batang gumawa ng krimen ay batang kriminal. That's just how it is. 'Di ba? Hindi ko maintindihan dun sa mga iba na parang yung ang problem kasi dito, no, I think yung lack of acknowledgement that whatever we have right now is not responsive to the realities of our society.
Ito may sasagutin tayo dito, Joey. Pwede bang mo si selectable?
Anong comment niya?
Ayun, yung a 12-year-old crime is not the same as having 25-year-old committing a crime.
Paano siya naging magkaiba?
11:36 p.m. Pwede bang umakyat si selectable para magkaroon tayo ng matinong discussion? Okay, yung 11:36 p.m. girl, selectable. Okay, hihimayin ko yung sinabi mo selectable. Sabi mo, a 12-year-old crime is not the same as having 25-year-old committing a crime. Okay, number one, if a 12-year-old...
Ano a child doesn't know? Paano mo alam na a child doesn't know?
Ang naiisip ko tuloy is parang yung ginawa bang na crime ng 12-year-old at saka 25-year-old, pag yung 12-year-old yung gumawa ng pagpatay is mild death.
Sandali lang. Unang-una, maturity doesn't have anything to do with your ability to know the consequences of your action.
Of your crime.
Okay?
Oo.
Walang, those two are two different things. But maturity, when we talk about maturity has something to do about the impulse of doing something because of what you think you should do. Okay, that is the definition of maturity. A person is mature if they have already achieved an impulse control.
Oo.
An impulse control. That is maturity. Hindi yung, bakla, huwag mo sabihin sa akin ng 12-year-old ka, hindi mo alam ang consequences na pag nakategi ka ay may mamamatay. You
Pag
are
nalaksak ka, merong mamamatay.
mamamatay.
Oo.
Huwag mo sabihin hindi mo alam ang ganong consequence ng 12-year-old ka. You are actually lying to yourself and you are actually telling us that at 12 years old, you wouldn't be able to know that consequence. Of course, you would know the consequence. Ano
And
yan?
whether
Tanungin nyo nga yung mga
at what
anak ninyo.
age someone is dead.
Di ba tanungin nyo yung mga anak ninyo, yung may mga anak dito na 12-year-old and below, tanungin nyo sila, oy, alam mo ba ang consequence pag ikaw ay nakasaksak? Oh, that's
Or
an
namaril. Kapag namaril ka.
Oo, that's already an empirical refutation. Eh ako nga, may mga pamangkin ako, sinasabi ko talaga, pag ikaw nakabuntis ka, papak dito, ibibiting kita ng kaptinwarek. This was below 12 years old at alam niya ang consequence.
Mm-mm.
Alam niya ang consequence. Ang ano lang dito, pinag-uusapan dito is impulse control. They are immature because maturity, the hallmark of maturity is impulse control. That is the biological hallmark of psychological maturity. Di ba, Damien? Kaya nga marami si Damien na
Oo.
hindi mature eh. Di ba? At 35, they cannot control their impulse. That's why they still cheat and commit adultery, which is a crime. So, ibig bang sabihin, ito bang immature na to, eh, hindi natin paparusahan?
And at the end of the day, Sas, whether at what age, someone is dead. Hindi naman yung pag kinumit niya ng 12 years old, that's mild death. Wala namang ganyan.
Ingit
May
ka.
namatay.
Okay.
Oo. Ito lang no. I think ang pinag-aagrihan natin dito is that yung consequence noong bata na nakakommit ng crime, how are we going to deal with it? But ewan ko ha, selectable, enlighten us yung statement mo na yung 12 years old na nakakommit ng crime at yung 25 years old na nakakommit ng crime ay magkaiba.
Okay. So,
Ano yung ang tawag dito, how do you distinguish that na magkaiba siya?
so my question is, are juveniles adults?
What about
So,
it? What
if
about
they're
it?
not adults, so they don't have
So-
the same rights as adults, right? So if
They
you're gonna
don't have
charge,
the same rights.
don't the kids? They don't. They're underage. If we're gonna give them the same rights,
So
we're gonna charge.
you're saying only adults can kill, but
No, but
Not
immature.
adults.
Those
Hindi,
kids
sandali
are
lang.
not fully developed.
Hindi, sandali lang. Before we
Maybe,
entertain
okay.
this, hindi, before we entertain this argument selectable, no, can you just give us an overall picture of why? Kasi ang argument mo is that a 12-year-old doesn't know the consequence of his or her action. That was your argument. Bakit paano tayo napunta sa same rights?
Well, do they
we're not
understand
talking about rights
okay.
here. Teka lang, selectable kasi yung isa rin na ano mo no na you're talking about rights, okay? We're not talking about rights here. We're talking about consequence of action.
So do they understand the realities as kids? Do they understand the realities and consequences of taking a debt on a debt?
Is it a requirement
wait.
for you to
No, wait.
understand?
Can I finish first? Do they understand the
Sabi niya,
realities? So it's the same thing as asking them, do they understand the realities of consequences of romantic relationship, right? So, pag 12-year-old ka, alam ba nila yun? Do they understand the realities of consequences? Joining a
So
military
you
services.
think
Wait,
that 12-year-old do not
and then if you
understand?
say all those answers should have the same, all those questions have the same answers. Like, do they know and understand the realities and consequences of violence as a
Sandali lang.
child?
Selectable, wait lang ha.
Sandali lang, selectable.
Wait lang, Sas. Selectable, I would just like to ask, So are you saying that a 12-year-old has no understanding of any consequences of his or her action?
They're not fully
Is that what
developed
you're
yet.
saying?
Okay. So
No,
okay.
answer. Hindi yung not develop or, of course, we agree tayo dyan lahat.
No,
Ang 12 years old, hindi
no.
pa fully
It
developed
depends.
yung...
No. It depends.
Wait,
If you grow up in the Philippines, right?
let me finish. Okay. I would like to understand, okay, whether or not your position is a 12-year-old have no understanding of consequences of his or her action. So you said hindi pa develop. Hindi yun ang pinag-uusapan natin yung whether develop yung utak niya o hindi eh. We're just talking about understanding because a not fully developed brain is still capable of understanding.
Understanding.
Different yan ha.
Oo,
Different
kasi
yan.
hindi kasi ganito, if you think na if they are not capable of understanding a 12-year-old anything.
Eh, ba't ka ba
Anything.
pinag-aaral? Hindi niya
Anything.
maiintindihan yung lesson sa
Oo.
eskwelahan yan.
Oo, kasi ako ikaw to be honest,
At
Selective,
12, do you guys
Hindi,
know
hindi.
the consequences and the realities of joining a military?
Selective sandali lang, hindi pa
Well,
tayo, wala pa
that's
tayo
not
dyan.
even the
Hindi.
topic.
No, but
Selective.
that's the same
That's
thing.
like
It's
what-
like do the
Joining
12-year-old
a
know the
military,
realities
you are
and
16 years old
consequences?
adult.
Hindi.
No,
Hindi,
but
I will-
I'm
I will
asking.
select-
Selective,
Hindi.
wait lang. Let's us finish.
Selective oil. Okay, sinasabi mo, can a 12-year-old understand what are the consequences of joining a military?
Or I mean,
I will-
the realities. Do they know the consequences
Okay,
and
wait
realities?
lang. Okay, I will answer your question. In order for someone at any age to be able to understand anything, they need information. Because kung sasabihin, pag ako, binigyan ako ng information, halimbawa ako, right now, I don't know the consequences of actually joining the military because I don't have any idea any information about that. But if you give me an information, I would be able to process it.
So
Ngayon,
what makes you say
sinabi mo
yung mga batang
wait
yun,
Wait,
yung mga
wait lang.
bumarel?
Wait lang.
Selective ball.
Wait lang. Ngayon, if I give an information to a 12-year-old kid na sinabi ko na pag ikaw ay nakasaksak, mamamatay yung nasaksak mo at malulungkot at magagalit sa iyo ang mga magulang niyan habang buhay. Are you saying that a 12-year-old would say,
Cannot understand that.
hindi niya makikita yung consequence na sinabi mo? Is that
Well,
your
that's what I said
empirical-
earlier. It was from lack of parenting. Like that's why the parents
So
should
the
be
issue
liable
now-
for that. If you
So
didn't
now
give
the
that talk to them, right? If you didn't
So now
give
the
that
issue
talk to
now,
them, that
selective
information to them, it's not gonna happen. So may fail ngayon, yung hindi mo pagsalita ng ganyan sa anak mo, na hindi mo
Exactly.
binigyan ng information.
So na, you're conceding that the problem is lack of information rather than the capacity of a 12-year-old.
Well,
to
it
actually
depends.
process
Like it
information.
depends, right? If you were raised in a
Depends
certain
on what?
society, if you're raised in the Philippines, like let's say,
Selective, it depends on what.
it depends on where we raise these kids. Paano pinalaki ng mga magulang yan, and who is surrounding these kids?
Di selectable, di mali na nga yung argument mo. Kasi ang argument mo, a 12-year-old cannot physically process
I
the
understand.
consequences of an action. Ang
Well,
sinasabi mo ngayon,
it's scientifically, ano naman di ba proven?
And let us-
As a
Like,
12-year-old,
let us not reduce
Ano
naman
scientifically
with-
proven? What's that scientific experiment or study that you're talking about?
well, sa bata, okay, hindi,
Ito-
anak mo ba, okay,
ito lang ang
nag-intindihan?
selectable.
Okay, wait.
Hindi.
Hindi. Focus
Hindi,
selectable.
selectable
When you
sasabihin ko
said it
sa'yo.
is scientifically
Right.
proven,
Okay,
when you
well,
say-
I'm asking a question and then we'll see. I'm asking.
Wait lang. Establish muna natin. You are saying scientifically proven yung whatever it is that you are referring to. What is the parameter of that study and what is being proved? Scientifically proven ang what?
Well, scientifically proven na di pa fully developed pag underage ka, right?
But that's
We
So-
understand that selectable.
We
We
We-
understand
we
that.
have
And we agree
established
with
that.
that.
Wait,
Okay.
wait lang.
Okay, so
Wait lang,
nandun tayo sa
Joey.
premise na yan, ha? Nandun tayo sa premise na yon. And let us not repeat this again. Ang
Hindi,
brain,
Joey,
madedevelop siya yung full frontal, ano yan? full
No, Joey,
frontal
sandali lang.
cortex ng
Sandali
brain,
lang.
25.
Wait,
Okay?
wait.
Understanding is a different thing. Okay?
Wait
So-
lang. Wait lang. The
Hmm.
prefrontal cortex is responsible for impulse control. Okay? Pero yung sinasabi mo selectable na because the brain doesn't yet have a prefrontal cortex, they would not be able to understand. It is scientifically wrong because has already been studied by neuroscientists that even toddlers can have a basic implicit understanding from right from wrong.
Exactly.
Google this.
I think
You can go-
yun yung
You
confusion
can
ni
Google this.
Selectable.
You can Google this selectable, no? In order for you to understand, kasi you are giving a statement that actually has no empirical anchor. In fact, the concept of fairness, this is understood by toddlers themselves. That's why nagkakaroon nga ng jealousy because they understand na bakit siya dalawa, bakit
So
sa akin
something is
isa.
unfair. Oo.
Exactly.
Well,
And fairness
know,
is a higher level concept and this is actually established by neuroscientists. Kasi kasi iba na yung tema
All
ng
I
argument.
know,
Tema
well,
ng argument mo ngayon is
I'm not
because there
trying to
is no
argue. I'm just trying to bring
information.
up the fact that a child's brain is not fully developed enough.
Well,
Please
I'm not
listen.
telling you
Well, you guys are
wrong.
not
You
even
are
letting me
telling
finish.
wrong.
You guys are not even letting me finish. Say something. I'm just saying a child's brain's not developed enough to use reason and logic, like the way an adult,
So
brain
are you
works.
saying,
Alam mo,
are you
doesn't
saying
mean that it's
selectable
not.
that they are incapable of understanding?
Sa akin lang naman, Joey, that doesn't mean na it's because it's not developed enough. It cannot commit a crime. That person
Well,
cannot.
like what I said,
Okay.
everyone can
Okay.
commit a crime. Even a 7-year-old could commit a crime. Okay, even a 10-year-old could commit a crime. Nobody's saying no one can commit a crime. Anyone under at the age of 7, I guess, could commit a crime. Okay, pero the same ba yun as someone who has a fully adult brain?
Anong ibig mo sabihin ng the same? Is the consequence of the crime the same?
Yeah, well, someone died, right? Someone died, right?
Exactly.
But a 7-year-old accidentally shoots someone, right?
Okay.
Is that the same as like an adult shooting someone?
That's an
Both
accident.
are
That's an accident.
It's an accident, but we're saying someone died already. If you're comparing
Yeah,
two
exactly.
people,
But
died.
at 25-year-old,
Would you accept? So,
accidentally
anong
shoot
difference yung
someone,
pag-accept mo
will
sa
have the-
namatay ng accident and then namatay ng bata?
actually kahit sa adult, selectable.
Yes, masakit, di ba?
Selectable. Wait.
Di ba?
Kahit sa
Masakit.
adult,
Namatay yung bata ng accident ng 17-year-old.
selectable. Wait,
Namatay
wait,
yung
wait. You don't need to shout, okay?
shouting. I'm just,
Pagdating sa adult, okay na. Pagdating sa adult, okay, magkaiba rin yung konsepto ng intentional crime at saka nung negligence or yung crime through accident.
I know, but your guys' point is someone died, right? That's your guys' point. Someone died accidentally.
Yes, and that is based on the fact that in both instances, merong discernment and intention sa pagpatay or sa pag-commit ng crime.
And
So,
that is
nagets
an
mo yung
empirical
yung
question.
premise.
So,
Gets
ang
that
intention,
premise.
so, intended,
And that
okay.
is an
Tinag
empirical
kasi nung dalawang, let's say, the Tacloban case, right? They
Ah.
planned it, right? So, it's premeditated, right? So, kung plinano nila, alam ba nila yung consequences nila during that time na, oh yeah,
Yeah.
no,
Alam nila.
no, pinagtatawanan pa nila eh. If I was the lawyer, paglalaban ko yun, mananalo ko.
Wait,
Ano
wait,
din-
selectable.
ano,
I would
ano,
put them in an
Ito,
institution, either
Okay.
rehabilitation.
Selectable
Wait,
question.
wait.
Did you read
Wait.
the entire
Wait,
Wait lang, Damien. Wait lang,
Yeah.
Damien.
Yes, I did. I did.
But do
Wait
you
lang ha,
understand the
wait lang
context
ha.
of-
Wait lang,
Yes,
wait lang.
I did.
Wait.
I
So,
did.
ibig mo sabihin
wait.
selectable,
And these are like kids, okay? These are kids.
Ibig mo sabihin selectable, your argument that they don't know the consequences of their action rests on na nagtatawanan sila.
Yes, it's clearly,
You
it's
are wrong,
clearly.
selectable. Anyway, selectable, wait lang. Let me allow Damien to say something na ano siya na.
Of course, it was clearly nakita nyo na nagtatawan. That means that they
Damien
still
muna,
don't know.
Damien muna, selectable. Damien.
Question selectable.
Damien,
Did
you were saying something a while ago.
Yeah, did you fully understand the context of their conversation?
Yes, so they were planning to do it, and then
No. do you also understand, because that's in Waraynon. That's in Waraynon. Are you a Waraynon?
What's that? I don't get that. I don't know what that.
That's a Visayan language. If you can translate the one out into Cebuano or English or Tagalog, the whole conversation it's absurd. That's really painful. That's really painful to really read. And for you to say na parang ano lang, what you call it, like na
But
pinagtatawan.
these are kids. These are
Primitive
kids. So that
kids.
means
They
there's
know,
something wrong with their
they
brain.
even
They're still
mention they
making
even
fun of
mention
it.
they even mention on that conversation of
It's
that
because this guy.
exchange that they can get away with it because
Right,
they're minor.
because they don't know they don't know the
They know.
realities, and no, they don't.
know.
Like what I say, they don't.
They know.
If it's a 30-year-old, yeah, of course, yeah.
They
You're
know.
30-year-old, you're talking like
Really lang,
this.
Selectable, I have a simple question for you. What is exactly the consequence of their action that they don't know?
Well, clearly they're still laughing. They're making fun of it,
No,
right?
no, no, no. Answer the question. What is exact? Sabi mo, magiging lawyer ka, ilo-lawyer mo. Ang tanong
Kung
ko,
ilo-lawyer ko sila, mananalo
Exactly.
yung lawyer na yun dahil ipaglalaban
Hindi,
nila. They're still
patatalo sila.
underage.
Hindi, selectable. Ito yung tatanong sa'yo ng prosecutor.
They're
What
probably like I said, they would still get punished. They still would have to get punished. Pero they should be punished as children.
Selectable, ang tanong ko nga sa'yo, dahil sinabi mo yan, therefore may answer ka dito. What exactly is the consequence of their action that they don't know?
Yun nga, di nila alam na pag nakapatay sila, right, na makukulong sila ng matagal. Okay, ang
They know.
alam lang nila, adult sila. No, they know. Wait. They know that they're kids.
The reason
They know
why
that they're kids. That's why they said that. Oh,
No,
baka tayo, juvenile tayo, hindi tayo makukulong ng ganyan.
Selectable, may misapprehension of facts ka na. Kasi, dun sa conversation, alam nila kung ano yung mangyayari sa kanila under the existing law. Which is, hindi nga sila makukulong ng
Yeah.
matagal.
and that's the reason why, Joey, they're laughing because they can get away with it.
Yes, exactly. So, meron ka misapprehension of facts.
They're not laughing because they don't know.
They're
They're
not.
laughing because they know
Because
that they can get away
They
with
can
it.
get away with it. They know the exact loophole of that thing.
Well, they clearly don't understand the whole thing, like
Hindi.
the
No,
consequences.
no,
Okay, no,
They don't.
Selectable.
Because
You
if
are
they
wrong.
they do. They're not gonna do it.
Misapprehension of
If they
facts
do,
na yan.
they're not gonna do it.
Misapprehension of facts na yan, Selectable.
No,
I'm so sorry.
If they do, if you think if you think as a 15-year-old I'm smart enough to realize it, then I'm not.
Okay. I'm giving the floor to Sas, and I hope that when I try to moderate, you respect my moderation. Thank you. Go, Sas.
Okay, unang-una, selectable, I'll just have to emphasize, you didn't mention any consequence of their action that they don't know when they were planning the thing. Okay, cannot mention the crime because maano tayo. Ikalawa, meron kasi ditong hanging question, no? Siguro mga magulang to na, do you actually are you actually a parent?
Yes, I have a 26-year-old and an 19-year-old boys.
Okay. So you have a 19-year-old and a 26-year-old. Okay. Nung ikaw, did you ever discipline your children?
Yes,
So why did you discipline your children?
because I don't want them to end up like these kids. And my kids play Roblox. My kids play Mortal Kombat. I let them watch violent movies. You know what I mean?
Okay, so did you discipline them?
Yes,
Thinking
of
na,
course.
ganito yung tanong ko, did you discipline them thinking na, ay hindi ko to i-discipline kasi hindi pa naman fully form yung brain. Hindi nila alam yung ginagawa nila. So, yung discipline ko is dapat i-realize yung reality na hindi nila alam yung ginagawa nila. Did you, just be honest. When you
Yeah,
were
of course. That's why I let them watch those violent games because I
Wait,
I try to
mali na
explain
yung...
to them. Wait,
It's
I try to explain to them this is not the reality, okay? This is just video games, okay? If you guys gonna do this in real life, you wait. If you guys gonna shoot someone, you guys gonna get the consequences. Which is this? What happened sa mga batang to, right?
Uy,
Ako
patay na
kasi,
sa video game. Tinatanong ko lang
kasi
sa'yo.
nga, no, ayun ang
When you-
example ko.
Well,
Kasi nga,
listen to the
wait.
question. Listen
I
to the
know.
question
So,
selectively.
dinidiscipline ko yung mga bata ng ganon.
That's not responsive to the question. Repeat the question, Sas.
Ang question ko kasi ganito. So you know that your children can commit a mistake at that age. Ang tanong ko kasi sa'yo is, why need to discipline them if you believe that they did the action because hindi naman nila alam kung ano yung consequence. So what is the purpose of discipline?
What? Well, what are you talking about? Well, I discipline them so they won't end up like these kids, okay?
No, hindi ang sinasabi ko
Para
sa'yo.
hindi sila maging katulad nito mga batang to, eh. Nang tanong mo sa akin, di ba? Bakit ko
Wait lang.
dinidiscipline yung mga bata?
Hindi yan ang tanong ko. Ang tanong ko, uulitin ko selectable. Ito yung premise, okay? Your child committed a mistake. Okay? Premise A. Premise
Depends on what
B,
kind of mistake. We got to be specific with what mistake is that.
I don't care. You can name
Well, you
any
have to be
mistake.
specific. It depends on what kind of mistake that goes with the
Okay.
crime, right?
No,
If my kids kill someone, so you got to be specific. You can't just generalize everything. You can't generalize everything. You got to
Okay.
be specific with your
Okay,
example. If you want me to be
someone.
specific,
someone.
okay?
Okay, bigyan kita
someone.
ng example. Bigyan kita ng example. Kumupit
For
sa
your
iyo
benefit.
sa wallet, kumupit sa wallet mo yung anak mo at 12 years old. Okay, that's premise A. Of course, you will discipline. Okay, magagalit ka, etc. Pero, if you sincerely believe the 12-year-old doesn't know the consequences of making kupit, which includes you getting angry at them because their brain is fully undeveloped. What is your purpose of disciplining them?
But they won't make the same mistake at the same time.
Okay.
Okay.
Pero,
Then why are you questioning
discipline them?
us when we beg for discipline on erring children?
What do you mean
Why do you
discipline?
question us?
I'm not
When we
questioning
beg
anything.
for-
I'm not questioning you guys. I'm just stating it's different. A 12-year-old is different.
And
I have
we
a
are
different
asking
mindset
you,
than a
what's the difference?
25,
What's the
30-year-old
difference
mindset, right?
exactly?
Okay, so
Okay.
There's
what
a
would
big
that
difference. So your child, would you let your child, would you let your 12-year-old child do the same thing as an adult?
Sandali, selectable.
You let us
So
finish,
what
no?
would be the difference? What would be the difference in your disciplining your child kung yung child mo 12 kumupit ng pera sa iyo and your 25-year-old kumupit sa iyo ng pera sa iyo, would your discipline be different?
Or at what
25-year-old,
age you started disciplining?
25-year-old, you don't discipline a 25-year-old. 25-year-old is a 25-year-old. Okay?
So ano gagawin mo?
What are you going to do to the 25-year-old?
The 25-year-old na yun, tuturo mo. Alam yan eh, di kulong mo. Alam nyo na yung tama eh. 12-year-old
So,
mangupit. Pagsabihan mo ba? Pagsabihan mo yung 12-year-old para hindi maulit. Ang 25-year-old, pagsabihan mo, pag inulit. Ay, first time pa lang, kulong mo na.
So yung
25-year-old na yun eh.
So what are you
12-year-old,
going to do?
pagsasabihan mo pag 12-year-old, nangupit. Oh, don't do this again, okay?
12-year-old, please be responsive.
Anong gagawin ko?
Pag hindi tinatanong na specific, I hope you listen.
I said,
Okay.
I'm gonna teach my 12-year-old a lesson not to do it again, diba? So they won't end up doing it again because I already told them. Kaya kung 25-year-old ka, ginawa mo pa, wala nagturo sa inyo 12-year-old ka.
Okay. So
Bakit
let's
25 years
change.
old ginawa mo eh? Di walang tatay sa inyo nagturo ng 12-year-old ka.
Okay. So let's change the situation when a 25-year-old kills another person. So according to your analogy,
No, 25, okay. Say that again. A 25-year-old killed another person.
Please. Wait lang. Patapusin mo ako selectable. Okay? So according to sa explanation mo, 25 years old, pagka sinut niya yung another person, okay, papakulong mo, no question. Okay, 12 years old, okay, 12 years old, namaril ng another person, what are you going to do with the 12 years old? Sasabihan mo.
Cool. That's why you gotta have to put these kids, you gotta understand them, all right? So yung kanina sinabi, accident. Are they doing this like purposely yung 12-year-old? Ano?
So what are you,
How did they end up shooting?
Yeah.
How did they end up? It depends nga on the crime.
They
If it's
planned.
accidentally.
Okay, selectable. Okay, this is the situation, the Tacloban situation. They
Okay.
planned it. They understood the law.
How old are
They
they?
know how to evade the
How
law.
old are this? How old
They
are these kids?
12 years old. We're talking about 12 years old. Yung example
Okay.
mo lang muna.
No.
Okay.
No, we
12
gotta
years old.
no, let's
Let me
Okay.
finish. Let me finish selectable para maintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko before you respond. Is that okay?
that's fine. Go ahead. The 12-year-old.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Ah.
Okay. 12 years old, sabi niya, alam niya yung consequences, binaril niya, alam niyang mamamatay, alam niyang may family na may maiiwan, okay? Alam niya na may iiyak, okay? Pinlano niya, alam niya
12-year-old.
yung juvenile justice loopholes.
Alam niya.
So, what are you going to do?
Alam lang, 12-year-old yun, ha? Lahat, ha? Taga-tondo yan, ha? Alam lahat yan, ha? Ng taga-tondo. Right? Let's say, taga-tondo yung bata. Alam lahat yan.
There's discernment. There is discernment.
It depends. Like I said, it depends, right?
Sinasabi
So-
ko
What,
selective.
what,
So let's say,
will-
ang batang yan
what
tinutukoy
are the
may
factors
taga-tondo.
that
Right? Alam ng
Ano?
taga-tondo na 12-year-old na pag binatay niya yung taong yan, na taga-tondo siya. Lumaki siya na taga-tondo, right? Surrounded by Tondoistics or whatever savages out there, right? Right? Sinabi mo, alam niya. Alam niya yung consequences as a kid from a Tondo, right? Binarel. Lagi bang ginagawa ng bata yon? Kung meron pa lang nung 11 years old siya, 10 years old siya, at 9 years old siya, may warning signs na mamamaril na siya ng 12-year-old, right? You gotta do something about that nung 10 years old pa lang siya.
So, yun nga yung question, selectable. What are you going to do with the 12-year-old?
Oh, you gotta rehabilitate them. Kasi meron pa lang, nung una pa lang, nung may nakita na kayong warning signs na ganun, nakaviolent yung bata, nilagay nyo na dapat sa rehabilitation yun. Now, dahil walang, I don't know, walang financial help or walang government help para makapasok sila sa mga institution na ganun, nung 12 years old siya, ganun nangyari. Right? Ngayon, ganun na nangyari. It's too late already, right? May napatay na.
Now, let's
Teka,
go
may
back
napatay
to the
na.
reality
May
of the
napatay na ang
situation.
12-year-old.
Oh,
As a lawyer,
okay
paglala...
na, we got your point, selectable. We got your point. Okay, you're just repeating yourself.
No,
Okay.
I'm just
We got your point already. You're repeating your repeating
starting
yourself.
from bata sila. Okay, kasi kung ibibigay mo to sa legal system, you're gonna bring that up too.
Naririnig mo ako?
Yes.
Naririnig mo ba ako?
Yes, I could hear that. I
Okay.
could hear you. I could hear you.
I said you're repeating yourself already. I said we are okay. We got
Because
you
I'm not
already.
done yet. I'm
Okay.
trying to paint the whole
Yeah, but
picture.
you're repeating
But-
yourself. So it's okay. It's okay na. It's okay. You're just repeating yourself. Okay. Ngayon, let's go back to reality. Okay, so ang gustong mangyari ni Selectable, yung 12 years old.
I don't want to do. Gusto kong mangyari. Gusto kong mangyari. How could you say that? I didn't
That's
say
what you
anything.
said. That's what you said earlier, right?
Gusto kong
Alicia,
mangyari.
what's
Did I say
question?
ganito gusto kong mangyari? Did I say
That
that?
was
Did
the
I come out of my mouth?
question, Selectable. That was the
Oh my
question.
God.
What are you going to do? And you answered.
What
Of
am I
course,
gonna
the
do?
answer is
That's
go to
different
you.
from. That's a different from. Oh my God!
Selectable, can you listen first?
I know, but you're putting words in my mouth, right? You're putting words
I'm
in my
not
mouth. I
putting
didn't even
words-
say that. I
Well,
clearly
I'm not
didn't say
putting
that.
words
Okay,
on your mouth.
you're implying that I said that. I didn't even say that.
You said that.
I did. Well, I
And
didn't
that
say
is the
that.
answer to my question.
What did I say?
You said that.
Tondo has a Tondoistic kind of approach to
Okay.
life.
Okay.
Well, it's not.
Anyways,
I grew up
Selectable,
with black people, so this is how we talk. Black people talk like this, but we're not.
But you're not
You're
black.
stupid, Selectable. I'm so sorry. I cannot take it anymore. Okay? You're stupid, Selectable. Okay? To say that I am putting words in your mouth when you're specifically asked what you are going to do to a 12-year-old who knowingly shot another person, and you answered, idiot, that what you want to happen is for that child to be rehabilitated, and then you're going to tell me I'm putting words in your mouth? How stupid are you? Number one rule, wag tayo magbullshitan dito. Wag tayo magbullshitan dito. Ngayon, okay, ang daming errors ng argument mo. Hindi mo naiintindihan yung nangyari, hindi mo naiintindihan yung facts. You actually confuse yourself with yung full development ng brain ng isang individual and understanding. Okay? A child, while the brain is not fully developed, doesn't mean the child is incapable of understanding. I do not know why you can't understand that. Okay, ngayon, balik tayo dun sa sinabi mo. Balik lang tayo dun sa sinabi mo na, kasi kung yung bata na yan, may tendency ng mamarila, dapat na rehab na yan, dapat na ano yan, kineso, ganyan. Now, let's go back to existing system. What is the rehabilitation program that we have right now? A child will undergo intervention program, diversion program. Now, these programs, are these enough to reform or correct the brain of the child? Is it enough? Okay, is it enough to give justice, especially doon sa mga pamilyang napatayan niya?
I think yun yung kasi medyo yung argumentation kasi I really
it's all
don't
over
know.
the place. The
It's all over
argumentation
the
is all over the place.
Kasi
I
yung
mean,
sinasabi kasi yung tinatanong siya kanina na do you actually yung the situation kasi nang sinabi niya is wala kasi nakapagsabi nun sa bata kaya hindi niya naintindihan. So the problem there is not a problem of lack of capacity of understanding but the absence of information. Magkaiba yun, no? Kasi pag sinabi mo, di ba kaya ko nga sinasabi na, are you saying na wala silang capacity to understand that even if you give them information, they will not understand at all? That is untenable, no? No serious neuroscientist or behavioral psychologist would ever tell you that they would not be able to understand an information, especially if you present it at a level that they would be able to understand. Hindi masyadong complex yung explanation. Ngayon, if kasi ang ano natin dito is, does a child understand the consequence of the action? And the consequence, there is a direct consequence to the action. Pag ikaw, namaril ka, matitegi. Ngayon, if you're gonna tell me that that when you explain it to a child, that they would understand that causal structure, that is untenable. Because if a child cannot understand a causal structure, bakla wala nang education. No education system will ever work because all education is based on actually making someone understand the causal structure of the world. So, ano mangyayari? They wouldn't be able to understand math because math requires understanding that proofs lead to a specific equation. And lahat naman tayo siguro dumaan sa math, no? And some people would understand math. Ngayon meron pa kasing argument na kung taga-Tondo yan or taga-Pilipinas yan. No, that is another argument that you think that the physical structure of the brain is different if you are from Tondo and if you are living.
That's just actually so discriminatory
and empirically false. Empirically
Yes.
false. The only difference
that is actually very unintelligent.
in ang ano kasi no, sabihin kasi na taga Pilipinas, taga Tondo, taga ganyan. I'm gonna tell you, Tondo kids are way more mature than people who live in gated villages.
Yeah.